In this video, I will be discussing a CheckMate workflow of importing and exporting CheckMate database files, also known as CMX files, to improve programming speed and efficiency. So what is a CMX file? A CheckMate export file can contain the CheckMate pieces of a CheckMate solid part file, such as segments, default settings, probes, reporting entities, graphical reports, and so much more. But today we'll be focusing on the pieces related to writing a program. Let me show you how. So I've got a part here that's been completely programmed in CheckMate, and you can see in the programming browser we've got top, left, right, and back, and there's an alignment segment. And what we're going to do is the right, the left, and the back are referring to the square base. So the new part we're going to load this into doesn't have the square base at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is we're just going to, let me just open the alignment segment, which is on the top of the part, and the other top has the rest of the holes measured. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the check marks for the segments that I don't want to export. And then I'm going to go to the output ribbon, and on the far left side you can see there's export CheckMate database. So I'm going to click on that, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to export the checked program segments, because there are some options here. It's a tri-state switch. Okay, so I'm just going to say that the checked ones. I'm going to export the defaults, and I'm going to export all the probes. And then I'm going to say OK, and I'm not going to export anything else, although you could. Let's just say OK, and I'm going to name this BH for the CMX file. You can see it's going to create a CMX file. And there we go, it's done. So now we're going to import it into the new file. Okay, and now I've got a new file loaded up here. It's from the same family of parts. You can see it looks very similar, except it doesn't have a square base, and it's got a round base and some holes in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the input ribbon this time, and we're going to import the CheckMate database. And if you recall, we called it BH, so I'm just going to select that, and I'm going to say open, and there we go with just the segments. And I'm going to just open up the alignment segment here. There we go. So you can see we've got the alignment segment, and we had the top segment, the two segments that we exported to measure the top, and all he has to do now is go around the sides and measure the holes around the sides, and then he's done the program. So he's improved his productivity quite a bit just from learning this step. So I hope this video gives you some ideas on how you can use the CM export file to your advantage. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.